I say holding so to mash up and come with. And I said you see when you get to a view. The difference one between Otukon or this second almost 2,000.
Very big margin.
Big margin power. And in fact,
I see Ketia also won. Very big.
Yeah, very big. Because we share saying Ketia margin or the winning ya. Get the young go winning. They are not party for no GD will move.
Yes, yeah.
And what was the needful for by events say fifty equity the credibility of form. And almost sunny. Number with a new as a change person was one now to me a chantra parliament. I can't say parliamentarian say
setting the record straight.
Setting the chantra because with the political talk and throne will try to win power. And this year, making sure say this time because it's here and one and then near master. And this is 2008, no 2008. No social media and then vibrancy. No man tell him about no one research say.
Okay.
And then no cancer ma. Now where any evidence are people will dig into it and bring it out into say the yeah me cut slay on the party campaign in going forward in 2024. Well, they are bent on winning. Money prepare and it kind of look like the choice of online. Now me too for say as I dream from team. As I dream from team say.
But ahead of 2024.
Yeah, I dream from team
executives or mukrano.
Any side dream from team say election yemfa gidigide enye mabo enye ntokwasem.
Okay.
Election is won at the polling station.
Exactly.
Supreme Court for my
exactly.
And polling station, yes, it is won at the polling station when you, the party, have been able to safeguard your ballots. Now I check it, I record the winner and move on to collect it properly for people. So now we no be a collect here. We into a move say they are going to conscientize their mind. Say, yeah, election, no, and yes, say but rather no, yeah, make sure say we will safeguard the ballot. We will let the people vote for us, and when the people vote for us, you better count to near safeguard, near record, near quality, near properly. Say, I see a announcement now. Now, while fan of crime, ma, you may not enough evidence to show say easy. Will results out the buy yet dieni, odieni, and you know, correct, you go deep.
And at a point in time, I realized, more politicians know so I won't trust the system no more my building.
But I won't
because
say
maybe politicians not trust the system no my building no. Because I tell you, Anka NPP and set IT room, NDC and set IT room. Because and my
colleague be can say me say, Oko America, Omo democracy for years. Omo constitution about 12 pages. Over Ghana constitution about 250 pages. Are there no crying Kenya? Because we be 150 yeah, because the letter
into me mbano me di oma bahanom into me ba be hwe omo me share madam fubi office Senegal ene baaye obeye de o se me be fa kantan kakas ni bi e de akọ ena wasanso ate se VW Nissan any Toyota ebie omo yi wa hanom nti oye adwuma wo Ministry of Finance e wo Senegal omo se instruction a president ne di ama omo ne se Emma obi bia nkwa abochire so okwa akokra Toyota cars e wa abochire na omumbra Ghana esan se sisi ano Toyota aba be set ne factory e wa hanoma omode ye cars for the whole of West Africa. Ghana ne wo Nissan the whole of West Africa aha ne wo VW ni nyina aha ne wo nyame adaroma sa countries yi num nyina no omo this time instead of so make cars fi abochire no na omo bie sa plant and factories ni bi wo hanom nti no aha no mo be fa cars no now tena hanom person ka kirem say president Akufo-Addo nya bibia ma Ghana na ba ya be sire ko na VW omo factory wo hanom abaya be sire ko na Nissan omo factory wo hanom abaya be sire ko na Toyota omo factory wo hanom na ka other African countries omo ko abochire ekofa sa cars ni nyina no this time omo so omo jai because Ghana aba be ye place sa factories ni nyina omo bi omo branches omo ye cars ni bi e wa hanom ye kan tanka cars yi kura no countries ni mu bi e ba hanom be fa e de ko enti abai abono ho moden e ba na education a ye ma me no mo wo dwom ni ade anwoma mu aye de ama omu na nka ba na nka omu betua school fees
okay
over mark aka afi na nka omu ba betua school fees ewiase aye dindindin sanye nyame adom a president Akufo-Addo any free SHS ba aye aye ma me no this time omu nya sika kwa mpo na nka omu de ayo omu ndwuma ni ade no enya kura no this time ma me bia no wono ma otie school fees e wo Ghana ha no se provided say ne ba no eco free SHS ni bidia yankania na sebe enkofo enye sika enfanto petrol kra enfangu generator mu fa nyoma adwuma ene yankania no ejina so oko abeka jansna emaru omugina hanumi omo se aya aban bi abesene ko ebaye na omo nya blog krampo na omato ediegu omo nsuo so aton wo traffic mu ene omo nya bi. That is the government of the President Akufo-Addo Baumia government. Edi enidaso, edi enimonyam ama Ghana. December, enkofo a omo ba Ghana hanom. It is estimated say ahoho nko a yebe receive omo ewo Ghana hanko a over 1 million people a omo ba be di bronya.
Okay.
Omo nyina edo musika.
For mame.
Enkabom budget no. Finance minister akwa ready wo parliament no. Yenim say eni daso na ebre Ghana fo.
Okay, me that say.
Enoma bebre na wom. President Akufo-Addo oye adwuma. Na ne ya be ya kura ne se wo famak be di manusi no. Ama penda da kwa abochire na omu bisa ne say. COVID ni Ukraine war no hu ni sen. O say oh, COVID ni Ukraine war ne de e dia ho kire kese na abre Ghana, abre Africa. Obi biara ho akire no e wo wiase afa na nyina. Oma mpani dane no ho. Efi abrofo wonom a okoka asa asemi kire omo ba fie pe a omo bisa no a o say oh Ghana de amambu bone ena ama ahokire aba krom hanom enso ko si abrofo yi oka kire abrofo yi
but honorable Hobson when you be adi untumin kasa MPP ba ye wunya shindi ye I would not agree with that honorable Hobson. You have benefited. You have seen grace. They say your hopes na doyedia. It's just not an ordinary name. It is a big name. Enabling the environment around your name so you can use your name to eat. That is what the government does.
Omunila are part of the problem. Corruption. That's
no, seriously, they are really part of the problem.
Yes, corruption.
They are really part of the problem because this is us selling the message that we want to break the 8, which is not an easy job to do. Then you say, when you have been the